Hello, this is LiquidOcelot, and today I'm going to show you how to fix slow right click on your Windows 10 PC. Some people are having this issue, and I also recently had this issue that my right click was very slow. So there is a solution for this issue. So let's get started, my friends. First of all, I'll go to the search bar, write registry editor, and make sure to open it as administrator. So I'll press yes, and now I'll just small this one, and now what I'll do is I'll go which address I need to go. H key classes root, first one. Now the second one is directory. I look for the directory one. It's taking too much time. I'll scroll down as quickly as possible. DME, yes, directory. I went to the directory. Now the third one is background, shellex, and then finally context menu handlers. So guys, all you have to do over here, you will find a lot of folders. Just delete every folder over here and leave only new and work folders, and after that just close this button and restart your system. So your right click, when you restart your system, your right click will not be slow anymore, and it will perform according to your expectations. So I hope guys your this issue is resolved for you guys, how to fix slow right click on Windows 10. Just remember to delete every folder in this directory that I have gone through and only leave new and work folders. I'll be signing off, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Take care.